We are making a quick, delicious hot breakfast sandwich. You will need bread, eggs, some cheese, your favorite seasoning, and sausage or bacon, whichever you prefer. Use a spoon or your fingers to gently press the center of the bread to create a small well. Now, toss the bread lightly in a toaster. Finally, chop the sausage or bacon. The smaller, the better for even flavor. Heat a skillet over low heat. Place the toasted bread in the pan and crack an egg right into the well. Sprinkle with your favorite spices, chopped sausage, and cheese. Don't forget to cover the pan with a lid so the cheese melts perfectly and the egg cooks through. Place the second slice of bread on top and gently flip the sandwich to toast the other side. Your hot breakfast sandwich is ready, crispy, cheesy, and the perfect companion to your morning coffee. Subscribe for more ideas.